I think that people can look at me and look at what I do and think that I have always been so organized, so diligent, and maybe even like cool as a cucumber, just acing my way through school. But I was a massive stress head, and I always say to people nowadays that I did really well in my studies in high school, but it was in spite of stressing so much. And by the time I got to my first final high school exam, I had a panic attack. I sat front row center and I really freaked out, and I'm so grateful that I was able to pull myself together and get a hold of my emotions. But I just think that I was so on the verge of burnout. I was so stressed. I was trying to be perfect. I felt like I had to have my whole life planned out. This 10-year plan was all dependent on how I performed in this one exam. And poor young me was just trying to do the best she possibly could. And I absolutely wish I had a positive role model that I could have looked up to and had more support from when I was studying, and that's why I do what I do. At the end of the day, I want my subscribers, my followers, my online community to become their happiest, most confident versions of themselves, and I want them to follow their authentic path. I remember studying psychology, having a 10-year path carved out for me, trying to be like my supervisors and my lecturers, and people would ask me where I want to be in 5-10 years time, and I would say like them. And I wasn't being my authentic self, and I wasn't living a life that was serving me. So I want to help inspire people to back themselves, to be confident, to create a life that they love and that supports them and that nurtures them. And so whether that means getting organized and enhancing your productivity, or working on your work-life balance and learning to stress less, that is my mission. I want you to leave feeling like you have the tools to go and create a life that you love, and not one that's grounded in perfection and striving for A+ and being an absolute box checker and having a 10-year plan carved out for you, but a life that genuinely represents the person that you are, and that you embrace your authenticity, and that you know that you have the permission to go out there and be you. So I had a 10-year plan, and it completely changed, because I always thought that I would be helping people through being a clinical psychologist. And I am helping people, but just in a very different way, and that is so much more true to myself. And you might have a 10-year plan at the moment, and it might change, and that is so normal and so okay. And if you don't know what you want to do for the rest of your life, it's okay. Just take it one step at a time. I think there's so much pressure to have our whole lives figured out, and it is so stressful, so anxiety provoking. But life is dynamic. Things change. You will change. You will learn things as you go, and it's important to be flexible and to not put so much pressure on yourself. So I want you to enjoy the journey and not just be so fixated on the destination. So if you're looking for more ways to enhance your study sessions, to be more productive and organized, to reduce stress, improve your work-life balance, and just live well and carve out your own authentic path and enjoy life, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Study with Jess. You can join the fam, join the online community. Follow me on social media on Instagram at Study with Jess. You can shop my range of stationery, educationery, and my digital planners, all to help you to study a lot smarter and structure all of your homework and assignments. Take the stress out of your study sessions. I have put together a range of different and very unique templates to help you out. And of course, you can check out my study skills book, The High School Survival Guide. So just remember that you are so not alone, and I am here to help you, and I'm so excited to be on this journey with you.